Hey guys, Ainsley here. I'm going to be doing another makeup video today. I've tried to fix the lighting from last time. I know it wasn't ideal at all, but I've been wanting to try and do a rainbow eye for a while. But I've been way too scared because I was scared that the pigments weren't going to come out right and that I would just do a very, very horrible job. But today on camera, I am going to be trying that for you. So I'm just going to start with my base and get going here. So the first thing I am going to do is my base. So I'm going to go in with my NARS foundation. I'm in the shade Oslo, so basically the lightest shade that they offer. I'm going to go in with a few pumps right here on my hands. And I have been using a brush, but today I'm going to try and go back in with a beauty blender. Okay, so now that my arm has gotten a workout and I've beat the heck out of this face, I am now going to go in with some contour. I'm going to use my Anastasia contour kit right here. I'm going to go in with this fluffy angled brush. This is the Morphe E4. I'm going to go in right here with this middle shade. As you can see, that's the one that I use like all the time. I'm just going to go in right there and go from the top of the ear down like towards the bottom of the mouth. I'm going to grab this small angled brush right here, if that'll focus. This is the Morphe E62. It came with the James Charles kit thing. I'm just gonna carve out the contour on my nose. We'll put that out in a second with my concealer. This is why I do my contour first, is because I like to just kind of chill everything out with concealer. I'm gonna go in with the shade Porcelain Beige, the Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna go with my beauty blender. This is a different one. I'm just weird. I like to use the Morphe one for contour and like foundation, but this one is like my favorite for concealer. I'm weird, I know, but okay. Now I'm going to grab my Morphe Beauty sponge again. I'm going to go in with, well, I guess I'm not going in with that. So normally I go with my Laura Mercier, but I do not see it. I think Mackenzie might have accidentally took it. So I'm going to try this Makeup Forever stuff that I got a little while ago. It's too much. Okay. So now I'm about to do my brows off camera real quick and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I have my eyebrows all done. Anyways, so now we're gonna go in with the James Charles X Morphe palette for this rainbow look. Okay, so bear with me because I am going to actually follow a James Charles makeup tutorial to do this because I have never done an eyebrow look, or not eyebrow, a rainbow look on my eyes before. So okay, so I'm gonna go in with the dark purple color on this brush and just kind of, I guess, pat it along this right here and create like an outer V. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the other purple color and do what James just said, and to lightly diffuse the edges. Okay, don't know if I did that too much or not. I feel like I did, but yeah, let's continue. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this yellow shade on the palette and go in right here. I'm gonna go in with another brush on this bright red and put it, I guess, right in the center. Okay, So there's that. Hoping this comes out good. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with an orange and blend the yellow and red shade together. This is like a Great Value version of what James Charles did. I am just saying. And I'm gonna go in with the M456 and go along between the red and the purple to kind of like, I guess, diffuse it out. I think I want to go back in on the purple a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with this and go with the darker purple shade right here. And do what he said and just start creating, I guess, more of a shape along here. Okay, so now I'm going to go with a little bit of black just to kind of like deepen everything up is what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the crease because that's what Sister James is saying to do. So I'm going to grab some of my concealer and put it on the back of my hand here, and cut my crease. So the way to see where you need to cut your crease is just like to blink with it and see where it hits and then take it from there. Okay, so now my crease is cut. So now we're going to start with some other probably shinier shadows. So now I'm going to go in with a packer brush right here, like something like this. I'm going to go in with this white shade and just kind of pack that in the inner corner a little bit. Okay, so quickly I'm just going to go over the edges. I'm wiping off this brush just to make sure that everything's good. I'm going to quickly diffuse all of the edges on everything. Just like that, to kind of help blend everything out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this small packer brush right here. I'm going to go in with this metallic blue shade in the palette. Top off any excess, and then I'm going to grab, I had some Morphe Prep and Set spray, but now I don't, so I'm just going to go with the Mario. I have no idea how to say that, but I'm going to just give it a quick little spray just like that. I'm going to pack it right on the outside here. Okay, now that shade is on. And now on M456, I'm gonna go in with the shade Cola. Gonna get that on the brush. And then I'm gonna pop it right in between the blue and the purple to kind of make sure that it's nice and blended in. Okay, now I'm going to get this, the same packer brush right here. I've wiped it off a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with the lighter blue metallic shade right here on the brush and just go right here, like on the center of the eye. Okay, so there's that, and I'm gonna go back in and just lightly over everything. Just a tad. Okay, so this isn't turning out half bad. I was a little worried in the beginning, but it's not turning out half bad. Even though this is literally taking me 23 minutes. Okay, so he's using glitter. I don't think that I have any glitter. Oh, I can, okay, I'm gonna try and use, I have a Becca highlighter that I will use as a highlighter, but I'm going to actually go in with this flat brush and I'm going to get that nice and packed on because it's a nice, barely sheer highlighter. I'm going to give it a little bit of a spritz with this to kind of wet it up. And then I'm just going to pack that in. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with eyeliner. I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite, my tattoo liner by Kat Von D. I'm going to pop this on and be right back. Okay, so now I have my eyeliner on. Okay, so now to do the bottom or the lower lash line, I'm just gonna go in with purple shade single and just diffuse this bottom here to the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with this blue shade right here, right beside that purple shade. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this like lighter green color right here. It's called Social Blade. I'm just gonna pop that right there. Just pack a brush and just kind of blend that out a little bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, so not the best, but I don't feel like it's the worst. Okay, so I'm just going to add some black bottom eyeliner. Now I'm just going to pop on my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. Now I have on my mascara. Everything looks so much better, so much better. Now I'm going to just finish off the rest of my look. I'm going to grab my NARS blush and pop that right on my cheeks. Just like this right here. Now I'm going to go in with my Becca highlighter. I'm going to grab my big fluffy brush here, put some product on it, give it a nice spray, and go on top of my cheekbones here. I guess I'm going to put on a lip. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Should I or shouldn't I? I never do a lip, but I feel like this look probably needs one. But I'm telling you, brushes make a difference. These are all the brushes that I use. So, you know, whenever I first started doing makeup, I only had like 1 or 2 brushes that I used because I thought that it didn't matter, but it honestly and truly really does matter what kind of brushes that you use. It makes the world of difference in what you're trying to do, especially with precision and blending and everything else. Like this look, I would not have been able to do if I didn't have literally all those brushes. I mean, I'm sure you could, but it just would not turn out as good. But he just went in with a super neutral looking lip, so I guess I will do the same. Okay. Ooh, I don't know if I like that with this, but we're gonna stick with it. Okay, so that was exposed, and I did overline my lips because your girl has to. So I'm just gonna give my face a quick spritz because I think I've done everything. Just kind of fan it. Ooh, let me try and use this as like a topper, just as a... Okay, so this is the final look. Gonna kind of go out there. I feel like I did a pretty good job considering it was like my first time ever trying it. It's definitely bold, that's for sure. I feel like if I went out into public like this, people would be like, oh my god, like, is she going to a circus or like what? It's not, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. I think it looks really good. I am really happy with how it turned out. Like really happy. I guess all I really have to say. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you think it looks good on me, or if you think it's like stupid or it looks bad or whatever, but it's definitely not anything I'd probably ever wear out. I don't think that I have the guts to wear anything like this out, but I did have fun doing it. Like, it's very interesting. It's not as hard as I thought, but you definitely have to plan and really like, I mean, I would not have been able to do this on my own without a tutorial. Like, I totally was following a James Charles tutorial the whole entire time. This was his Unleash Your Inner Artist makeup look, campaign look. And so this is what he did generally. I did it, I think, a little bit different. But let me know what you guys think of this look. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you think. And subscribe if you like this. I don't know if I said that already. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day or morning or night or whenever you're watching this. I just hope you have a really good day. Alright, peace out. Bye.